In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add cards like credit or debit cards to your Samsung wallet or to your Samsung Pay. So just a note that you can only add and manage up to 10 payment cards including credit card and debit cards. You can also add unlimited gift cards to your account. So as you can see, this is the article created by Samsung Pay in order to guide you on how you can create or add credit or debit cards into your Samsung Pay. Well, first is to navigate to and open your Samsung wallet on your phone. Then click the Tap All tab and then tap on the payment cards. So this will open the screen. So tap the add or the plus sign and then tap the add payment cards. And then after clicking this, you just need to follow the instructions to register your card like debit or your credit card. So when you add a card, you must agree to the card's terms and conditions. And if you have any questions about the terms, contact the card issuer. And once card is added, you can start using it to make in-store purchases with your Samsung wallet. And that's how you can add your cards to your Samsung wallet, and thank you for listening.